Are you noticing more grays than you would like and looking for an easy, natural way to refresh your look? Finding the right product can completely revitalize your appearance and boost your confidence. Today, I am sharing the absolute best hair color for men to help you look your best. Product number 1. Just for Men Control GX Gray Reducing Shampoo. If you are looking for an incredibly subtle and effortless way to manage your grays, this innovative shampoo is an absolute game changer. Instead of a messy, one-time dye job, this product gradually reduces gray hairs with every single wash, ensuring the results look completely natural. I really appreciate the triple patented formula, which incorporates keratin to make my hair look significantly stronger and up to 2 times thicker. It is incredibly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I just use it in place of my regular shampoo until I achieve the exact shade I want. Then, I simply alternate it with my normal shampoo to maintain the perfect balance. Free from harsh chemicals like ammonia and peroxide, it gently cleans and revitalizes my scalp while delivering a fuller, more youthful appearance. Product number 2. Polar Hair Care Polar Hair Dye Shampoo. When you want immediate, full coverage without the hassle of a salon visit, this jet black dye shampoo is a fantastic choice. I am amazed by how fast and effective it is. In just 10 short minutes, it completely covers my grays without requiring any bowls, brushes, or messy cleanups. The 3-in-1 ammonia-free formula is specifically designed to be gentle on the scalp while nourishing and protecting my hair. I love that it leaves absolutely zero stains behind and produces no nasty fumes during the application process. A single bottle provides up to 15 applications, saving me a tremendous amount of time, effort, and money compared to professional treatments. It is a highly reliable, all-natural solution that keeps my hair looking vibrant and youthful for up to 6 weeks per wash. Product number 3. Just for Men Mustache and Beard M35. For those focusing specifically on their facial hair, this medium brown coloring kit provides a flawless, targeted solution. I find it incredibly easy to use. I simply mix the color base and developer, apply it with the included brush, wait 5 short minutes, and rinse. Unlike standard dyes, it specifically works to restore my natural beard color while providing a significantly thicker and fuller look. The formula is enriched with fantastic ingredients like biotin, aloe, and coconut oil, which leave my facial hair feeling exceptionally soft and healthy. It works brilliantly on all types of facial hair, from full beards to goatees and simple touch-ups. With up to 3 applications per box, it is a highly economical and dependable way to keep my beard looking sharp as soon as those stray grays start showing up. Product number 4. Just for Men Mustache and Beard M60. If your natural hair color is much darker and you need a rich, deep finish, this jet black variation of the mustache and beard kit is exceptional. Just like the medium brown version, it makes getting rid of gray facial hair incredibly simple and fast. The included brush is perfectly designed to distribute the color evenly through coarse beard hairs, ensuring a uniform and completely natural-looking result. I am highly impressed by how the permanent dye penetrates deeply into my beard, resisting fading from daily washing and grooming. The addition of keratin, biotin, and aloe vera ensures my beard does not dry out, keeping the skin underneath comfortable and irritation-free. It is the perfect, straightforward grooming tool to maintain a bold, striking appearance without spending hours in front of the bathroom mirror. Product number 5. Just for Men Control GX Gray Reducing 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Rounding out my list is the ultimate convenience product for the busy man who wants a streamlined shower routine. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner combo utilizes the same brilliant, gradual gray reducing technology as the standalone shampoo, but adds a crucial conditioning element. I love how it gently cleanses my scalp while simultaneously providing deep hydration, leaving my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable right out of the shower. Because it contains absolutely no ammonia or peroxide, I can use it regularly without worrying about damaging my hair shafts or drying out my scalp. The keratin-infused formula adds fantastic volume, making thinning hair look noticeably thicker and healthier over time. It is the perfect, low-maintenance solution for subtly blending away grays while maintaining excellent overall hair health. That wraps up my top recommendations for achieving a natural, youthful look right at home. Check the links provided to grab your preferred product and take control of your style today.